I would say that overall I'm extremely impressed with the entire 2 days. There was probably not a certain time that I didn't gain anything from it. Even during the breaks, I would say that the instructors really spent a lot of time with us, answering questions, and made it personal to each and every one of us. I absolutely was able to leave here with everything that I wanted to leave here with. Their overall approach has been by far the best training that I've ever been to. I did a lot of research before coming into this training, and on top of the reviews I had already seen and read, I was pretty confident that this was going to be a great class. I just think everybody should take this class who has to ever do a presentation again, whether it be in front of a one-on-one, a panel, or a group. It's invaluable.